where is a beautiful place? And oh, here is a very beautiful place. Come here, come. So hi my friends, I'm a seniors. Welcome back in my channel. So today you can see here, and all of you can see a very beautiful place near about this. So here you can see, guys, there is a very beautiful, lots of like farms, and also there are lots of very beautiful lakes, and also lots of things, lots of trees are there, lots of birds are just chirping. And this situation, we everyone knows that it is an village. So yes guys, you everyone right, today I just and we came in the Golagathi village, and this village is near about the Vishalgarh also, and there is we come in our maternal uncle's home, in my mama's home, and I am so happy today because they are also very beautiful place, and I think that then like why not I make a video, and then I started making video. There are lots of beautiful things, and I think that this type of place is very good for speaking and also for to do your practices. You can see I am also very free. No one, anyone is not just like going, and also no one is there. Like it is a very quiet place. I always say that outdoor place and also quiet place is very good for speaking and also improving your speaking power. It can help you a lot. So it is the thing, guys. Like here you can see I am also talking and I am practicing this English language very freely with you. You are also get fun. There are lots of scenarios are you can see here. And now today I am going to talk about a very beautiful practice that if you do everyone, then you can develop a lot your speaking power also. Like as I also made a thing, it can help you to grow up your accent also. Like there you can see there are lots of trees, lots of things, lots of natural things are there. You can also speak with them. Like here you can see like there are lots of trees are there, so make some trees. Like there we say the tree, but the American people say the tree, and also the leaves, and also lot of deers. And always try to make a few sentences with a single word. Like there is a tree, and where and how the tree help us, what we do with the tree. It can also help you a lot to improve your speaking power also. As everyone knows, we also take a pencil. Like it is not the pencil, it is pencil. This tree also like this. Take some natural things. And this outdoor practice is very beautiful practice, guys. Always remember, make your one source of practicing this language. Otherwise you can't. Like my source of practicing is just making videos with you. And what is your source of practicing? Always remember, this practicing source is so important. You can also call your one of your best friend and say like now let's do some conversation with one another. It can also feel very well, and also lots of things. I also say everyone that LSRW mean listening, speaking, reading and writing. It can help you a lot. So here you can see there are lots of beautiful things, natural things are there, and that's why I always love the village sides, because in village side there are no any lots of very big and also torturing sounds, and also the people are not just saying anything to me. I am just making video freely. It also I want to share with you these things. Always remember, if your home also near about a village, it is the best opportunity for you to improve your speaking power. Otherwise you also can go in any morning work for a time, and if your family members, everyone have lots of relatives, lots of family members, and I am sure you also have an relatives that their home is near about a village. You can go there and freely make videos or freely proud and lots of things. Just take anyone and then say like let's do videos. It can help you a lot to overcome your fear from people and also fear from outdoor making things, outdoor speaking. It can help you a lot. So this thing also first time I also fear lots of times, but after talking some 1 minute 2 minutes it will be very easy for you, and you also can get lots of powers for the upcoming speeches. So yes guys, it was the thing, it was the topic today. Always remember, go to outdoor side, and this thing is very beautiful, I want to say. And this thing is so important for everyone, for every beginner. Just remember one thing, outdoor practice will help you a lot to improve your speaking power very quickly in a quickest way, I think. So it was the video. Thank you guys. If you like, as you can see, our home is Agartala Bhattapukur, and we came here learn about the Vishalgarh. We just come, and also it is so far for today, like 30 kilometers 40 kilometers far from Agartala, this Golagathi village, and all things for you. We also want to give you a lot, and that's why our responsibility is to teaching you and to sharing you a lot, to learning, and your responsibility also to subscribe our channel. So don't say anything, just see the subscribe button, hit the button and hit the bell icon also. If you like something, if you like this nature, so please like this video and also comment your feelings about this village. And you can see here also there are lots of things, and I think this village side is so very beautiful. So thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.